Can you guess what is this? This structure is popularly known as anti-gravity structure. It is also called the tensegrity structure, which means tensional integrity. See how magically the above triangle is hanging in the air. But it's not magic, it's all physics. Today I'll show you that how to make this anti-gravity structure very easily at home. So let's get started. Welcome to ZM Inventor. So first of all, take 2 ice cream sticks. Here I have taken 2 pink colored sticks just to make it more attractive. Generally, the length of an ice cream stick is about 10 to 11 cm, so we can measure 9 cm from one end and put a straight line there. Then, using a set square or a protractor, measure 45 degrees and again put a straight line there and cut it along this line. Like this. Now, take 3 sticks and make a triangle out of them in such a way that one stick overlaps the other in this way. I stick them using a hot glue gun, but you can use Fevicol or any gum. In the same way, make another triangle like this. Now, take those previously cutted sticks and stick one of them in the center of any edge of the triangle. Like this. Then stick the other one at the other corner of the triangle. Now comes the last and the most important step. Take a simple transparent tape and cut 3 strips of 10 cm each and 1 strip of about 5 to 6 cm. Fold them along the long edge so that it does not mess up. Like this. Then finally stick the 3 long strips at the corners. Like this, and stick the 4th strip to pink colored sticks. Your tensegrity or anti-gravity structure is ready. If you make it perfectly, then it could be very strong and can hold some lightweight objects. And it can hold a very light object like this tape. I had also tried using cotton thread instead of cellotape strips like this one. If you have any queries, then please ask in the comments section. And if you are interested in physics and science experiments and want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.